All right, we're going to do some problem solving, some multi-step problem solving that involves conversion of weight. Here's the problem. It's number 2 in lesson 15. A container of oregano is 17 pounds heavier than a container of peppercorns. Their total weight is 253 pounds. The peppercorns will be sold in 1 ounce bags. How many bags of peppercorns can be made? Okay, we first start off with a comparison. It says a container of oregano is 17 pounds heavier than a container of peppercorns. So what do you think I should draw first? Well, I want to draw the peppercorns first. And the reason I want to draw the peppercorns first is because the oregano is 17 pounds heavier than that. So this is what it would look like. So peppercorns, if peppercorns is this much, don't know exactly how much it is, but let's just say it's around that much. I know that oregano is at least that much plus 17. 17 pounds more. So as of right now, I don't know how much this amount is. All I know is that oregano is 17 pounds more than the peppercorns. And that's what I drew. So what else do I know? I know that the total weight of both of them together is 253 pounds. So total weight is 253 pounds. All right, so what do I need to figure out? It looks like I need to figure out what the peppercorns will be in ounces, because I'm going to be putting them into 1 ounce pound bags. So I'm going to be converting pounds into ounces. But before I can do that, I got to know how many pounds the peppercorn is. Right now, I don't. So I can figure that out, though, because I have enough information here. So I know that the total of both the peppercorns and the oregano is 253 pounds. I can see here that 17 of those pounds are right here, the portion that's more than the portion that's more oregano than peppercorns. So I have this pattern where I have the whole amount, and I could subtract a portion that I know, which is 17 pounds. And that will leave me with what I don't know so far. So 253 minus 17, that's 236 pounds. Okay, so I know that the remaining portion, which is this portion right here, all of this, is 236 pounds. And this 236, so I know that these two units together equals 236 pounds. So I need to figure out what one unit is, because only one of those units is the amount of pounds in peppercorns. So what would I need to do that? Well, since these units are equal, I'm going to divide by 2. So I have 236 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 2 one time. Subtract to get nothing left. Bring down the 3. Whenever I bring down a number, something goes above it. How many times does 2 go into 3? Once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract. There's 1 left. That's okay because it's smaller than a divisor. So I can bring down the next number. When I bring down a number, something has to go above it. The answer to what goes above it is how many times 2 goes into 16? 2 goes into 16 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. And now I know what 1 unit equals. So 1 unit is 118. So that means that there are 118 pounds of peppercorns. Now, is this going to answer my question? Not yet, because it's asking how many 1 ounce bags I can make of peppercorns, which means I'm going to have to convert 118 pounds into ounces. All right, so let's do the conversion process. We're going to go 118 pounds equals 118 times 1 pound okay, and which equals 118 times, there are 16 ounces in a pound, so I'm going to put 16 ounces, which means I'm going to multiply 118 times 16 to figure out how many ounces that is. So let's do that. 6 ones times 8 ones is 48 ones. 6 ones times 110 is 6 tens plus 4 is 10 tens. 6 ones times 100 is 600 plus 100 is 700. All right. 8, 8, 8. So I have 1,888. And what is that? That is ounces. And since I'm putting them in 1 ounce bags, that's how many bags I will also have. So how many bags of peppercorns can be made? 1,888 bags of peppercorns can be made. And that's it.